Then everything coming back, gameplay, everything. The gameplay I'm gonna drop is going to show y'all what I mean. Like comp in 2K, sometimes I sit back and I think like, yo, they really not that comp. It's a lot of kids who have learned cheese, meta, and when you learn that thing so well, you know what I mean? What do they say? Is like, it's like they just learned the hard work. It's not really like, or could we say it's not talent? Put it like this, they're all just doing a certain pattern. If people could learn certain defense discipline, there's certain defense disciplines like these kids or these younger dudes who are stage goons, whatever you say, they don't even understand themselves. You know, they worry about the regular passing lane steals, blitz steals, like not even, man, certain hedges, shades, little switch, that there's certain deeper details they don't understand. But 2K recently dropped a patch to patch a certain move, and I'm going to show you this certain move that people still found a new gateway to still be able to do this move. Now, me as a OG 2K player, we used to play 2K back then to where we had like the Ty Lawson. That was just a spam some people used to do in 17 just to look cool. There were certain moves that it was more so to look fancy and pretty versus, oh, this move is definitely the move to use to get you open, like how it is now TikTok. Do this move, get yourself open. Hit the like really fast. I'll teach you 5 steps how to do this speed boost move fast. The edit's going real fast. Do it like this. Like, come on, bro. This is a new time and era we are in. And yes, it makes them more powerful when they learn this. But these things can still be stopped. There is still bugs to this. You understand? There is still cons to this. Now, when you see that he does this move, right? And I want to show you guys something. First, we're going to put the playback speed really slow. We're going to mute the sound so it's not in your ear. And we're going to play it back. But the sound doesn't want to mute. Now, look. When you see what he's doing, right? For this move to be truly powerful, a screen always has to be in play. One thing he's doing right here is not fighting for the body contact more. When you're playing against a dribbler who is using the speed boost glitch, which I've played against many of times and stopped them, slowed them down, forced them to pass, get in the speed boost glitch lanes, because there's lanes for it, just like a car. Like, you understand? And once you do these things, you can stop him. But he's playing more so than trying to play like a side instead of bumping, which is what you have to do as a lock. I don't care how long they've been playing lock. I don't care if they play with some of the best or they play with cheaters. This is stuff like even these locks don't still be understanding playing against these dudes. Look, he's wrapping behind the screen. The hedge help, this guy behind is supposed to be higher up. It's a half court screen. Why are you so back? Make the big think he may have an opportunity to split. Then y'all can maybe stop the split. Like, see what I mean? Like, these younger dudes don't understand that type of defense. They've never played real life basketball. Shit is just all, oh, sides, cover my side. He don't go that way. Okay, we cover it good. A lot of hands up defense. A lot of these dudes don't even have the jumping cat reflexes ability in them yet, man. It's certain things like, man, let's keep watching though, right? Watch when he gets the first speed boost. We look at it, right? That one looks like alright, but you see, like every time when they're doing that animation, right? Look at this one. Boom, right here. This is kind of like, what makes this fake is everybody knows this is like a glitch. It's supposed to be paused animations. When you speed it up, you can see how much more it looks. Look, LeBron escape, you go into that easily, and then you can easily just do a move that pushes you off. It's like, as a defender, you can't even do nothing like that. And the dribbler that's using this move understands that on the other side. So it always gives him that angle to just go here to the side. He gets here, does the little D book, just a little bit, just enough. Probably has high shooting ability, so it's automatic green. Right? And we're not done. It gets worse. Let's speed it back up. And let's look at this. Let's look at more of his clips. Zoop. Zoop. This is all he does. It's like a race car game. And one thing that I would say with this movement, would I say that I hate it? Would I say that I'm against it, or is it not real? I'm only speaking off of the facts. The devs try to patch this and slow it down. You understand? Now look, he's giving you the tutorial on how to do this move. Right? The devs wanted to slow this down because it's like you're doing that speed. Let me see too. Let me look at this. Hold up. Let me look. Hold up. Yeah. You're doing that move without using no adrenaline, no bars, no nothing. It's like a glitch. That's what makes it a glitch. The animation itself, people, when we're looking at it, when I'm looking at it detail for detail on screen, it looks like, well, not that one. That one is too fast. Some of them look pretty clean, where it's like, you know what? I've seen players like, move real fast, stop, go the other way, go again, real fast. We've seen that burst, like burst from here, burst from there. So that's realistic. That though is fake. The fact that he don't lose no adrenaline, he could LeBron escape, then do it again, and that's going to make somebody jump. He's not wrong for jumping. Is he wrong for jumping, people? No. This is why they need moves like this, because some of them can't get a shot off, like do a little hezzy, slide, get him to jump, do a step back, side peek. Like, they want us to play like that, and I'm telling y'all, man, they keep patching the game to where I keep seeing they want us to play like that. They kind of want to remove this where you see, look, he was open right there, but not really. Like, he could have shot that, right? But him just doing that fake right there, it happened so fast, he jumped real quick. And he's not wrong for that, because that's how you have to contest people to stop their shots when they have 99 3 balls and super high 3 balls. But then he goes to the side. I learned this, though. That's why I say, if you really watch and study them, they always do this. Most of these good guards that could play like this always do this, and they come to this left side. Right? And then they do the D-book one time. It's like a... Ah! Yo, this is why I really be clamping these niggas. It's like, look. He has to do the... Because the D-book is like a quick stop to him. You don't got a D-book right there. He could stop and just put his feet. But the D-book is like a better plant to get into your jump shot. I'm telling you, I be understanding this. And this is what I be wanting people who play defense to understand, because then you will realize how much more time you would have. You would understand, okay, he's going to do this pattern where he really wants this elbow 3-point shot, and he wants to do the D-book on the elbow because it's comfortable for him. Look, why he don't do the D-book right here on this part of the elbow? No, he has to come really wide to this angle. These are certain key things you have to pay attention to with players who play like this, right? I'm back on my shit, dropping the tutorials for this, like a defense tutorial in it too as well. You're supposed to realize these guys play on the same patterns. Look, right this way, D-book. Come on, like come on, y'all. I'm not even like I didn't even fully watch these clips. I seen in the first clip he did. I'm not even fully watching his shit like that. I seen the first clip and said, oh yeah, I'm making a video on that. I seen everybody talking about how the devs didn't do their job right. They move still in the game. People still show how you could do the move still. And sometimes the speed boost is faster than they can't control it. They don't know. They can't control. Sometimes some of the burst is faster, as you can see. So they can't control it. It's like nothing they can control, and they're not losing adrenaline on it. You have to think about that. Come on. Then you can snatch me and break me or something like that. Like, come on. That's why the dev sent out the patch. But you see how connected, and like I said, we're playing on some old model that people have figured it out. Look, he just said it. Oh my God. I know, like I'm telling y'all, please, all right, react like this, because I really will be on Twitter. Scroll, I see the move, I could just do this move now. Like, look at the caption. The caption is why, like, D-book, spam tutorial. The only move I need to do. This combo deadass works every time. So you understand? That's why I just like them. And oh yeah, those are video ideas I'm going to show the people. Like, show what's going on. You don't lose adrenaline. How's the comp guards think they good? How How do people allow it? That's why I'm saying, because it's because the devs, oh, they can't fix it, so it's just, oh, we use it. Like, yo, I'm telling y'all, it's still the gladiator times, man. That's why I love that movie, I love the show The Last Kingdom on Netflix. I finished watching it, but I gotta find another gladiators type war swords movie, because it just shows you, bro, like, the people will do anything to win. When a person, you got those people who gonna be like morally right and want to do it that way, but that's a rare trait. When you watch the shows, you always seen people do the easier way, or the just gotta get out, you gotta live. Everybody doing it, man. Forget that. Yo, back then we never used to use park cards. Now it's just this, oh, whatever's in there, we use it. Can't complain about it. Cause they tried to please the casuals, man. I'm telling y'all. Right? I saved that one for y'all to see. I had this one. What, like, to the same side every time. And look how everyone's guarding it the same. Hands up D. They're not jumping. They're not realizing what type of game they're playing. Like right there, he hands up again. That's why you get a 4% contest. What are they not realizing, people? I tell y'all this all the time, man. Watch. I use a 7-footer. I tell people the meta is a 7-footer. 7-footer or 6'11", longest wingspan. You contest people. Look at this. You see how he looked like he was about to jump? The white with the little fox head on. It's an auto contest. Look at the ball placement. Look at the hands. In real life, the only thing that messes somebody up like that is if they scared and they released it wrong. But 9 times out of 10, you're not blocking the shot. If you felt confident and you let it go, that's going to be good. You have to jump to throw somebody's shot off. Really, you know what I mean? It's like 2K, it's like players always, and this is why they're having trouble, because they're dropping the game every year, y'all. And honestly, they want to probably take, they truly probably do, but based on contracts, based on shit, they probably want to take years, a few years off, and they probably truly want to just eliminate all the cheese, look at all the stuff they watched over the years, and make the game really to where you can't do certain things. But think about it, these are all skilled players that are doing this, not players skilled with their thumbs to do repeated patterns. I will say that. Because some people will say, oh, doesn't take skill, or this is just cheese, or however they want to call it. But they're still skilled enough to be able to repeat the same pattern and find a new code in the game the devs can't even understand, and the devs can't even come out and do it and show like, yeah, we can do this move too, but we think it's cheese. We think y'all shouldn't do it. No, the devs couldn't even do it if they wanted to. So it's like, god damn. They just have to look at it in the other way and, oh, what code is that when he does that snatchback right there, and what is that code again? And they have to change it like that. You know what I mean? This shit's sad, man. I even seen a pro player, Bear the Beast, showing people how to do it, doing a tutorial, going against 2K, because people are seeing it in that time frame. I've been doing that because I seen 2K didn't have power. It was only certain little things they used to do that used to get my mind, where it was like, oh, they'll get certain people that was similar to like how I made content and get them up there, and then it make me think like, maybe I could, but nah. People realize 2K has lost all their power. People try to say, oh, 2K is done. 2K ain't done. All the people that comment, you hate on me because you see my views. I don't care. I know I'm gonna come back up. I don't have a quit bone in my body. That's what people don't understand. I know if I gotta do something else, make something else work, I'm okay with that. That's how people really win. When you're really humble. You're humble to it. Yeah, if I wasn't humble, I would have had a crazy ego. I would have been expecting so much. Probably would have been crashing out and really upset. But no, I understand how the shit goes. Look at this. You could just keep. It's like a race car game at this point. That's why I say, man, I'm not tripping. It's so much more to go. Like, it's so much more 2Ks. Not saying 2K gonna get better or for worse, but we gonna see who's gonna last, what's gonna remain, how it's gonna change. I keep saying that I see where the devs is going with it. They trying to really get it to a more IRL realistic game. Like I said, some of those bursts to me don't seem bad, but you have to lose adrenaline. The fact that you don't lose adrenaline and your shot is still easy at the end point, I don't like that. That doesn't make sense. You know, and anybody who's comp or plays skills should understand that. Players been learning how to do that for years. Try 5 moves that don't waste adrenaline, and it's like, god damn. So we need some type of counteractive on defense, right? Don't we need some type of counteractive on defense? A little speed boost or left to right speed boost. I'm telling you, why not? And I feel like that would make the game way better, because some people probably will overuse their little defensive speed boost, and real crossovers probably would look way better. Like, yo, the devs just don't have a brain, bro. I'm telling you, I know I have it there. When offense can be this OP, when you can move this way on offense, but there's no type of defensive glitches nobody is able to find, make it make sense. There's no type of defensive glitches, like, or defensive little speed boost movements we ever found in the years of 2K. Like, really think about it. Only little bump steal shits we learned. Okay, bump steal good on this side. Trap steal. This shit is sick, man. My eyes be wide open. They make that, man. I'm telling you. Telling you. But you know what that would do? It would eliminate the casuals, because there would still be elite defenders who would know how to use the defensive movement shit, and would eliminate the casuals. Probably be so hard for them to score because it's so different, a new defensive way now. They still want to leave it in this little you know how the little pool thing is, where you hit in the little pool table, the little what is it called, little ice hockey thing on the table. It's like that on defense. Like, once somebody get past you, most of the time it's like a done deal, unless you got chased down, and chased down only, you know how it is, y'all. Shit is ridiculous, man. So I just want to sit here, rant about this move that was still left in the game. That is very, it's a strong, powerful move to face against. Very tough. You have to be disciplined. Oh, is he going to stop right here? Is he going to do the D-book right here? Is he going to use the speed boost right here? And you see, it's a really half-court game. They got to really do it really half-courtish to get you on your heels. So you got to try to bump him full court so he doesn't have time to do this. I always tell people this. All right. Hit the like, subscribe, man. I'll see y'all in the next one.